All right, so let's talk about these generic bench rest. So I'll show you a few of the features. So as you can see, you can move it, towards the right or left. Good thing. Another thing that you can do with this is, let me adjust it. Okay, now if you want to go up and down, you can move this, and it works. I mean, it's not that bad. The only thing is, if you have a very long rifle, this will not work. Also here, if you want to spin the legs a little bit toward the right or left, the same thing on the front, you can regulate it like that. I mean, I think it's cheap, that's it. Here in the device that you see here, yeah, there is no way to adjust it. There is no labels or anything like that. So if you have a regular rifle, it may work. If you have a air gun or something like that, very long, it's not going to work. I'll show you here. You have this one. If you want to set in zero, zero your scope, if you see the handle is touching this, and this is in the air, so it's not even, all the way down. So the only way to put it down is just to leave it crooked. So not very convenient. And I'll show you another option. I have a shorter one. You want to see? I have a head gun. Basically, this one fits. Of course, will have to remove the bipod here, but I'm not going to do it. And it works. It's short enough, so if you want to, move it around or something like that, it works. Again, you don't have levels here. There is no vice to clamp it, to make it sure that it's straight. Otherwise, you can use, if you have a bipod, something like this, put it like this, and it will be way tighter, more stable than the other one. So that is, I would not recommend it. So if you have any suggestions, something better, please let me know. Otherwise, if you want to buy this, I can leave you in the video description the link, but that will not be my first choice. So I will select something else. So I will be making more videos about different bench rests. So the way, if you want to see different options, different features, maybe you'll come and get something better. Great. If I have to buy it again, no, I will not buy it. But if that is what you want, or the features that it has is what you need, and maybe you have a regular firearm, I think this should be a good option. Otherwise, you can get something else. Thank you for watching. See you next time.